Want to make iPhone turn off at a certain time? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, head over to your application shortcuts. Once you're inside the application, you need to click on Automation at the bottom of the screen. Once you're in this page, now you need to click on New Automation. In the section of Personal Automation, you have to select Alarm. Once you have selected the alarm, now in the section of When, you need to select Goes Off. And in the Alarm section, click on Any. Once done, tap on Next at the top right corner of the screen. Now for the action, you have to select Lock Screen or Shutdown. Once you have selected the lock screen, now what you need to do is, you need to click on it and then tap on Done at the top right corner. Well, it has been activated. Now you need to go back to your home screen and head over to Clock and then set alarm according to your need. Simply set the alarm for when you want to turn off or shut down your phone. And whenever the alarm rings, your phone will be shut down and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.